Welcome, crypto enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Today, we delve into an intriguing article from the Coin Republic. This piece discusses the significant decline of the Injective Protocol's token, more commonly known as INJ, and poses some fascinating questions about its future. The Injective Protocol's token, INJ, has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride recently. Over the last 45 sessions, it has experienced a staggering decline of over 50%, dropping below key moving averages and support levels. The token is currently trading at $23.02. That's a pretty sharp drop considering its previous highs. The article goes on to discuss the returns of the token. The monthly return sits at a slightly concerning negative 29.1%. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The yearly return stands at a robust 190%, suggesting that despite recent hiccups, the token has had a strong run over the past year. The sentiment towards INJ, as per the article, is currently bearish. This is backed up by 14 technical indicators that are giving a sell rating. Despite this, the token hit a recent all-time high in daily transaction activity, reaching an impressive 2.4 million. However, investors are treading cautiously, keeping their cards close to their chests before making any new moves. We also learned that the development activity for INJ has declined, painting a somewhat somber picture of the token's future. The open interest data, which indicates selling pressure, has also been on the rise. This could further fuel the bearish sentiment surrounding INJ. The article ends with a note on the market capitalization of INJ, which has dropped by 3.32% to a valuation of $2.08 billion. While there is a possibility of a short-term rebound from the demand zone, a break above $30 is needed for sustained buying momentum. After a quick break, we'll dive into the technical indicators and what they suggest about INJ's current market status. So stick around, you won't want to miss it. Back to our analysis, let's dig deeper into the technical indicators and transaction activity for INJ. There are 14 technical indicators that suggest a sell rating for INJ. Now, you may be wondering, what are these indicators and why are they important? Well, these indicators are tools used by traders to predict future price movements. They are based on past market data such as volume and price, and they can be extremely useful when deciding whether to buy or sell a particular asset. Among these indicators, we have moving averages, which have fallen below key support levels for INJ. A moving average is a widely used indicator in technical analysis that helps smooth out price action by filtering out the noise from random price fluctuations. When the price of an asset falls below its moving average, it is often seen as a bearish signal. Another indicator pointing towards a sell rating is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The RSI is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements. The RSI for INJ is currently indicating that the token is being oversold, which can often precede a downward price trend. Let's now turn our attention to the transaction activity. Despite a recent all-time high in daily transaction activity, reaching 2.4 million, investors remain cautious. This high volume of transactions may suggest that there's a lot of interest in INJ, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the price will go up. In fact, a high transaction volume can often be a sign of a market top, where the price is about to reverse and head downwards. In conclusion, while the high transaction activity shows that there's a lot of interest in INJ, the technical indicators suggest that the price may continue to fall. This is why investors are remaining cautious and why the token is currently receiving a sell rating from most indicators. Stay tuned as we move on to the development activity and open interest data of INJ. Now, let's shift our focus to the development activity and open interest data of INJ. The development activity of a cryptocurrency such as INJ is a crucial aspect to consider. It's a reflection of the work being done behind the scenes, signaling the progress and growth of the project. It's worth noting that recently, the development activity for INJ has seen a significant decline. This could be due to a variety of reasons, including a shift in focus towards other projects, or perhaps a period of consolidation after a phase of intense development. Regardless of the reason, this slowdown can impact market sentiment, often leading to caution among potential investors. Now, turning our attention to the open interest data. Open interest is a measure of the total number of outstanding derivative contracts, such as futures and options, that have not been settled. It's a valuable tool for gauging market activity and direction. For INJ, the open interest data has been indicating a heightened level of selling pressure. This means that more traders are looking to sell their positions rather than buy, contributing to the bearish sentiment surrounding INJ. So how do these factors play into the current market sentiment? Well, the decline in development activity could be perceived as a lack of progress or momentum. This, coupled with the increased selling pressure indicated by the open interest data, can contribute to a negative market sentiment. It's a challenging landscape, no doubt, but it's also a reminder that the crypto market is highly dynamic and can shift rapidly. That being said, it's crucial to remember that these are just a few of the many factors that can influence the price and market sentiment of a cryptocurrency. Therefore, they should be considered in conjunction with other indicators and not be used as the sole basis for investment decisions. Next, we will look at the market capitalization of INJ and what it means for potential investors. To wrap up our discussion, let's talk about the market capitalization of INJ. Market capitalization, or market cap, is a simple way to gauge a company's value by multiplying the total number of its outstanding shares by the current share price. In the case of INJ, its market cap has seen a decrease of 3.32%, bringing it down to $2.08 billion. This decrease is a reflection of the selling pressure and the downtrend that INJ is currently experiencing. It's essential to remember that market cap isn't the only measurement of a company's worth or potential. It's just one piece of the puzzle. Now let's consider the potential for a short-term rebound. There's a zone of demand that could trigger an upward movement in the price of INJ. This zone refers to a price level where the demand for the asset is high enough that it could potentially halt the downtrend and even reverse it. However, it's crucial to remember that for sustained buying momentum to occur, a break above $30 is needed. This means that the price of INJ would need to rise above this level and stay there for a period of time to show that the momentum has indeed shifted from selling to buying. That concludes our analysis of INJ based on. Remember, the world of crypto is volatile and unpredictable. Always do your research and invest wisely. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.